Hi people, this is Nettie again. Okay, as you can see, I got plants down here. I have to buy new, I call those things to hang them up. Those things don't come out. I tried Clorox, everything, but it doesn't come out. So I don't know if I should paint them so it doesn't look like that, or I don't know. Because they're still good, but the only problem, it looks ugly. So I'll see what I could do with that. I probably paint it. And also, since I gotta paint this up here, I probably do that the same day. I usually don't have too much time. That's why I'm always, at the run. But here I got the tube water. I got the pennyroyal, and I have the, how you call it, eggplant that I'm propagating. Okay, and here I got a new glass. This thing here, it was how you call it? It was one of those kid things, baby, newborn baby. You put them there, you could like shake them or whatever. That was my daughter's, and she was gonna throw it out. I said, "Hey, give me this part. Give me the metal part. That's the only thing I want." This, I don't know where it came from. I think it was from an old table, and we saved the glass. But it's a heavy duty strong gas. It doesn't break that easy. So I figured I put it in here and use it. Why not? I know you're noticing that I got something new. I know you're noticing. I see it in your eyes. You're going, what's that plant right there? What? Wow, what is it? Who gave it to her? Where did she buy that? Okay, I got a new plant. My husband gave it to me. And they had it for $4, and they had a special on $3. So he decided to buy it for me because I love coriander. I can't live without coriander. This one, I'm going to leave it here in the pot because I have so many babies that I think it's going to fill all that area there, where I have the corianders. So I don't want to like push it too much. I want to see what I'm going to do over here, and then fill it up and see how I could do, with the plants. And then if there's any, or maybe after winter comes, because right now you see winds. I think there's a storm coming and it's still hot. You still got to use the fan. So maybe if it gets cool, in the winter time, then I'll probably put it there, But for now, I'm not going to put it because I don't know how much space I'm going to have there. I have a lot of seeds growing there. So I want to wait till the seeds, I see that there's no more seeds coming out. Then I'll probably put it back in. I'll put this one in there. So it's beautiful. It has, I don't know how many plants. It has 2, 4, 6, 7, around 7 plants it has. So here, I'm going to take from here. But after I finish with the one that I have in the refrigerator, then I start with this. So I think that everything is working perfect.